Former Fifth Circuit solicitor Dan Johnson was in court this afternoon for a bond hearing on state charges. Last week, he, along with his former director of communications, Nicole Holland, were charged with embezzlement of public funds for allegedly using office-issued Bank of America credit cards for personal expenses. Johnson was also charged with misconduct in office for the alleged misuse of state drug forfeiture funds to pay for personal expenses. Both received a $25,000 personal recognizance bond, and they're required to surrender their passports and not leave the state. If found guilty, the misconduct in office charge carries up to 10 years in prison. The embezzlement charge carries fines and up to 5 years behind bars.